The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, viewers and subscribers, because of posts that have been put out there on social media, it had came to my attention that it is being said on social media that there are more than one sex tapes circulating online that shows a female who goes by the name of Kirby. And it is said that the female was in a relationship with a person who goes by the name of Major Hype on social media. Now, some time ago, I posted a video that shows a female who said that Major Hype physically abused her or hit her or so on, you see me? And after that, I posted another video that shows the female saying that Major Hype released a sex tape about her online, and it is circulating out there. Sometime after that, I posted a video that shows Major Hype responding to some of the things that the female said in those videos. You see me? And now it had came to my attention that it is being said on social media that there are more than one sex tapes now circulating on social media, or you could say online, that shows the female who goes by the name of Kirby, and it is said that she was in a relationship with Major Hype. When I saw a post on social media where it is said that there are sex tapes out there online that shows the female who goes by the name of Kirby, I wondered if it is true. You know, because it had me thinking, because some of the times you have misleading informations on social media, and you have wrong informations on social media some of the times. So it had me thinking. So with that, I did some research, you see me? And upon doing the research, I saw two videos out of the amount of videos that had been mentioned that claimed to show the female who goes by the name of Kirby. You see me? Now, I am not talking about the video that Kirby talked about in a previous video that I posted that shows her claiming that Major Hype released a sex tape about her. No, I'm not talking about that video. In my point of view, because she talked about that video, it seems to be somewhat of a confirmation. So I'm not talking about that video. I'm talking about two other videos that I saw for myself. Now, when I look at those videos, in my point of view, I'm not so sure that these videos actually shows Kirby. You see me? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think. You see me? You can let me know if you think these videos actually shows Kirby in somewhat of a sexual activity with persons. You see me? Because when I look at these videos, I see different men in these videos. So it would seem as if it's being said on social media that Kirby is seen in different videos with different men. That's the understanding that I get in. You can let me know if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Guess what I'm saying to you? And you can also let me know if you think these videos actually shows Kirby doing sexual activities, as how persons might call it. You see me? These so-called sex tapes raises many questions on social media. One of those questions are, could it be that Major Hype actually speaks truth in a video that he posted on social media, you see me? Because in my point of view, if these two videos that I saw actually shows Kirby, then in my point of view, I am wondering if the things that Major Hype had said in a video that he posted when he responded to some things that Kirby said about him, I am wondering if the things that he had said in that video, if they are true. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this whole thing is being talked about on social media, you know, and I'm only letting you know what's going on because it is being talked about on social media, understand? And you can also let me know what to think about this whole thing between Major Hype and Kirby, and about this whole thing where it is said that sex tapes are circulating on social media that shows the female who goes by the name of Kirby. Alright? Alright. Now, I'm going to move on to another topic, you see me? And with that, I'm going to present a video to you. Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a vehicle that was on its side and persons somehow managed to put the vehicle back on its four wheels. You see what I said to you? According to some things that have been said about the video on social media, it is said that the vehicle was being driven by a person and somehow turned over on its side. And it is said that the incident happened within the place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country known as Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident happened. But however, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Still in a drive.
Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers, the video that shows a vehicle that was on its side and persons managed to put it back on its four wheels. You see me? On a real low, viewers and subscribers, the person seems to be ready to drive immediately as the vehicle was on its four wheels. You see me? Alright, anyways, viewers and subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person with a centipede on his face and at one point on his head. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you from right now that this video is somewhat shocking. You understand me? Because I know that there are persons who are afraid of centipedes. You see me? Me myself afraid of centipedes. You see me? I said to you. But anyways, you know, this video is being talked about on social media, you know, and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it for yourself and you can also tell me what you think. In my point of view, I think that this person is really brave because I would not do anything like that. And I would not encourage anyone to do anything like that. You see me I say? Now, the reason why I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? Many comments have been made about this video on social media. For some reason, see me? Persons are talking about how the person have the centipede on his body and all these things, you see me? And it's getting a buzz on social media. So I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. But before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that I talked to you about in this video. You see me, you can let me know what you think about those so-called sex tapes that is being talked about on social media, where it is said that it shows a female who goes by the name of Kirby, and it is said that she was in somewhat of a relationship with Major Hype. You see me? And you know, Major Hype is said to be a comedian. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think about the vehicle that's said to have turned over on its side within the place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within St. Andrew, Jamaica. You see me? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me now. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.